So, Sun Tzu, what are the nutritional triggers messing with our beta cells? There are so many different places to look at for nutritional triggers, like what cell mechanisms are being messed with. Is it an imbalance issue between two specific nutrients? Are there multiple imbalances or deficiencies within a much larger web? Here are just a couple examples, starting with iron. This is the one I've spent the most time on. Iron is incredibly important for beta cell energy and beta cell health. Turns out it can also be incredibly volatile and fatal if it's not used properly. And there are a lot of different papers, more and more in recent times, talking about how iron dysregulation factors into beta cell malfunction. But there are a lot of things that go into that entire iron balance, magnesium being one of them. And magnesium deficiencies mess with glucose utilization and insulin signaling. And then from a managing oxidative stress standpoint, there are a lot of enzymes and cofactors within the body that are dependent on trace minerals. Especially when you consider these superoxide dismutases. These are antioxidants that fight inflammation in the body. And so many of these SODs are reliant on particular trace minerals. Here you have copper, zinc, manganese, nickel, and even iron. And then when it comes to the education aspect of beta cells, how can we make non-beta cells beta cells, and how can we turn silent beta cells into active beta cells? One of the ones that I've been focusing on the most has to do with GABA. This study looks at how long-term administration of GABA can actually turn alpha cells in the pancreas and give them beta-like qualities. So this speaks to how incredibly important gut health and nervous system regulation are in influencing glucose metabolism, and how those things can piggyback to take what weren't beta cells and turn them into beta cells.